Hi there, welcome to another short video from Michael at James Personal Tailor in Manchester. Just thought I would throw up just a quick video just chatting about a brand called Noose and Monkey. It's a newish brand that I've come across. They may have been going for a while, but it's one that a certain few customers who are a bit younger have started bringing into me. I'd say guys more in like the 20s have started bringing these into me. They're a nice slim fit off the block, very narrow lapel. Normally they are quite fitted as standard from just off the peg. This gentleman is a very slim frame and he buys Noose and Monkey quite a bit. So I'll just run through what I've done to this specific jacket for him. He likes that very fitted, very slim fit look. So with this one, we've tucked the shoulders in around about ½ inch on each side. We've brought them in so it's a little bit neater there. It's a little bit cleaner looking. And then also we've just tapered the body in slightly as well. Just around about ¾ inch either side, just to give it a little bit more of that nice tailored silhouette in the body. And then we've also just shortened the sleeve slightly for him as well, just to make it look that little bit neater. So I'll just have a quick run around the suit just to show you a few little things, and then chat about the fabric it's made out of, and just give you a bit of an insight if you haven't come across Noose and Monkey before. So here you have, it's a lovely green and navy check. Narrow lapel, a little button in there, lovely suit lining inside. They come in colourful lining. They come with these with a comb. It's quite a cool little thing. And then obviously with a cool lining. Like I said, this is the one we've tapered in and whatnot. Excuse, it's a little bit creased on this dummy isn't ideal for it with it being such a slim fit. The dummy's made for a slightly bigger size. So the fabric is made out of, it's 98% wool with 2% elastane, so it's got a little bit of stretch to it. So obviously with doing the 2% elastane in it, they can get the sleeves a little bit slimmer without it pinching too much. And as you can see on the body there, it comes in really nicely on the sides there. And there you have it, Noose and Monkey. They're not really ridiculously expensive. This jacket was $145. Yeah, and I've altered a few of these now. And I think if a younger gen looking to not spend a stupid amount of money with something that's a little bit different, I'd definitely check them out. They are a nice slim fit, a standard, but like I said, with the younger lad of today, they do tend to like them very, very fitted on the body, so we can do this for you, not a problem. Or get it done at one of your tailors local to where you are. Any questions, it's Michael at jamespersonaltailor.co.uk on the email. Our main website is www.tailorsinmanchester.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching the video again, guys. If you've got any comments, please leave it below and discuss. Thanks for your time, I really appreciate it, thank you.